What's happening, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody is doing well. So I've been waiting for this for a couple weeks. Something special. Just wanted to show you. This will help really spark up the interior of my car. Like, see my STI floor mats, even though they're still in pretty good shape. I wanted something really nice to pretty much spruce up that ambiance, and especially really bring out the red and black for how the Recaro seats look. So I was looking for some time, and I ended up finding these guys on Instagram, Luxus Car Mats. These guys are freaking fantastic. Side note, the first company I saw was Carmelo Mats. They came up. Guys, please do not order anything from those guys. If you go on Trustpilot, you're gonna see all their reviews. They are freaking trash. Do not order from Carmelo Mat, because I ended up placing an order first before I found Luxus, and what ended up happening was I ended up having to call my bank. These guys, you know, I mean, it's like almost like a scam. They don't reply to you. It's like an automated email they send you and X, Y, and Z. I ain't got time for that. I ended up finding Luxus Car Mats. The guy, when you DM, they answer pretty much like, they answer very timely. And I had a whole conversation with the guy, and he knew obviously about Carmelo Mats. These mats were coming from overseas. I actually paid for express shipping, and it came in pretty fast. So it wasn't bad. I would say 3 weeks or whatever. But remember, shipping can vary depending on weather, type of shipping, etc. But anyway, don't get Carmelo Mats. Do yourself that favor. Look at these bad boys right here. Beautiful black with red stitching with a custom logo. You cannot beat that, guys. The one with this rough foot patch right here, this is for your driver's side. And just remember, these mats are made to order, which means give them the exact specs for your car, year, make, model. You can look it up on their side. I'll put something up on the side, and you can put your car in. They pretty much got it down packed, like almost every make and model. So they already know the specs for your car. Make sure you get that right, because you don't want this bigger or smaller, because that could cause serious issues on the road. Okay, now these are the obviously driver, passenger, and this is the back. Yo, look at that, man. I love it. Love it. Looks pretty damn good. Installation should take about 5 minutes. They give you a couple extra accessories. They give you about 6 clips and some pieces of Velcro. So if you're worried, you could stick the Velcro like along here and stick it on your mat or whatever the case might be. But the way these look, it looks like they're pretty much gonna fit on the dime. So we'll see. First thing you wanna do, guys, you see my vacuum over there? Vacuum your damn car. Make sure there's nothing, you know, no dirt or whatever, because come on, you're putting some new mats on. So anyway, just want to give a special shout out to Luxus Car Mats again. Thank you so much for sending me this care package. And guys, I'm going to put up the code. I'm going to leave it in the description as well. Use Wicked15 for 15% off your order. And it's not expensive. I'm telling you, it's not expensive. So I'll see you guys soon. All right, guys, the install is complete. Just a heads up, this is probably going to take a little bit longer than 5 minutes, depending on your setup. You're going to have to, because of shipping, you're going to have to really massage these mats in for the, you know, for them to conform properly. On the driver's side especially, see how it gets all the way back where the accelerator and everything is? This piece right here was out, okay? Let's pay attention. So this flap here is out, and that can cause or pose a serious problem. So either you can use their Velcro to stick it right there, or just tuck it in right behind the plastic, and you're straight, just like that. So that plastic trim is holding it right there. So it's when you come far back, nobody can really see that back there, like the trim is over it or anything like that. You know what I'm saying? So that's for a peace of mind, so that doesn't get in the way of your accelerator or anything like that. You definitely don't want that. You know what I'm saying? In the front, I didn't have to use pretty much anything, okay? In the back, let's get to the back real quick. I end up using some Velcro right here to the edge. Obviously, guys, make sure you clean down the surface before you stick it. I use one of their clips right here, one right here. Same thing on the other side. This backing, you're gonna have some trouble, just like not crazy trouble, but you're gonna have to really massage it in and try to tuck it underneath where the actual seat meets this flooring where this line is. Okay, so you're gonna have to do that. Let me see, as I told you. So some Velcro right here, one of the studs right here, one right here. Looks pretty damn good. And then the passenger side didn't really need any help whatsoever. No, and I have one of these left over, so you could figure out where you want to put this, or you can use all of them or none of them. Depends on whatever you got going on. Feel me what I'm saying? So guys, you know what to do. Definitely like, subscribe, comment, check in my description for codes for discounts. As I said before, make sure order obviously year, make, and models. And guys, I didn't have to tell you guys this, but guys, you got to take out all, you know, I mean, your stock mats and everything like that. These cannot be installed on top of your mats that you already have. Just as common sense, but I need to say that just in case people start doing it with the mats in there. So make sure you vacuum, take the stuff out. Anywhere you're sticking Velcro, make sure you're wiping down the surface, and that's it. Everything should conform and fall into place in a couple of weeks or whatever. As I said, because of shipping and how they got to fold the mats, you might have a little bit of a hard time trying to massage it in and get it exactly where you need it to go. But other than that, it's really nice. Hold on, I want to sit in here real quick, test this bad boy out. Make sure, sit in here, test out like foot pedal placement, everything like that. Make sure, you know, you have proper clearance. And let me tell you, man, you could definitely, this definitely feels good barefooted. Dang, like for sure. Check that, brake. Make sure your clutch can go all the way in. I think we're straight. All right, guys. Thanks for hanging out with me. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Take it easy.